In the first video about the Syndea Teamcenter interface, we explored the use case where a conceptual design in SysML was used to seed a Teamcenter bill of materials for further development of the system. Both models remain linked to the block level, allowing for the possibility of automatically updating and harmonizing the models as the system design evolves. An equally important use case involves using Teamcenter PLM part structures to populate a SysML model, making use of existing product data in the development of a new system. This video demonstrates that capability. Consider the example of a system engineer acting as an integrator of a new unmanned aerial vehicle system. He or she begins with a simple architecture comprising a standard aircraft platform to be fitted out with payload, software, and other mission-specific equipment. The standard aircraft platform exists as a finished design in a Teamcenter PLM system with a multi-level part structure. The system engineer wants to use this structure rather than recreating it manually, and has been given access, at least read access, to the product in the Teamcenter repository. As usual, we have certain preconditions for this demonstration. First, Syndea with the Teamcenter interface has been correctly installed in Rhapsody, including the libteamcenter jar files. See the Syndea user guide for instructions. Second, the system engineer has set up a network connection to the PLM repository using the repository manager on the Syndea dashboard. See the Part 1 video on creating a repository connection. Finally, the initial SysML architecture model contains the Syndea profile as part of the model. The initial SysML model BDD is shown here. The space for an aircraft platform block is empty. We launch Syndea from the platform package, go to the Connection Manager, open the Teamcenter Network Repository Connection, and find the aircraft platform item we want to use. Here we have a choice. We can use the Teamcenter item, or we can use a specific Teamcenter item revision, like B.1. If we use the Teamcenter item, our SysML blocks will always be connected to the latest version of the Teamcenter item. If we use an item revision, we are connected to a specific configuration of the item, at least until we choose to update the SysML model at a later time. In this case, we will use a specific item revision. We set the connection type to model transform, and we drag the B.1 version into the platform package on the left. And confirm. Now the model transform process is being executed, which we can follow in the notification window at the bottom, and we'll see it in the SysML structure when it is complete. All the items that are part of the aircraft platform part revision have been brought over, and they have part properties corresponding to the part structure of the PLM model. If we go to the Connection Summary tab in the Syndea dashboard and click Get All and filter just for Teamcenter connections, we can see the 29 connections that have been made between Rhapsody and Teamcenter in a single action, each new block connected to its corresponding Teamcenter item revision. Returning to Rhapsody, we can drag the new aircraft platform block into the SysML block definition diagram, and make it a part property of the UAS. We can further display the lower-level part structure. Using Syndea, we have been able to create a relatively detailed SysML structural model using existing product data in a single step. In the next video, we will show how to use Syndea to update the model in either direction as the system design evolves.